Most of all, language hospitality means living out the unity that God desires among His diverse creation. God so loves the world. It is a simple yet profound truth that God loves me and directs me to love my neighbor. In our increasingly globalized world, our neighbors include people from many languages, cultures, and backgrounds. And teaching English offers an opportunity to love our neighbors by extending language hospitality. Language hospitality is multi-directional. It means appreciating and welcoming the languages and cultures of my neighbors. It means extending excellent language instruction that leads to connection and flourishing. And also, language hospitality means being a bridge for some of the deeper and wider needs my neighbors may have. It even means allowing my neighbor the opportunity to impact me and be part of my growth and my story. Most of all, language hospitality means living out the unity that God desires among His diverse creation. God so loves the world. So He loves my neighbors and invites me to delight in doing the same. I have been so enriched by the students I've worked with throughout my teaching career. And in our TESOL programs here at Multnomah University, I so enjoy hearing back from our graduates as they share how they are working with students and communities and neighbors. I frequently hear how they are applying what they have learned and how the things they have learned and practiced while in the program continue to bear fruit as they teach and as they serve and as they reflect the love of God in their work.